Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create Gmail account in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to create Gmail account, so let's see how can you easily do that. You can easily use your app or your website for this, but I'm going to use app. So you must have to open up your app store and you have to simply search for Gmail and you have to install this app. As I have already installed, so I'm going to open the app. Simply tap on the app and that app will be opened. And here you must have to select Google and then tap on continue. And here we're going to create a new account. So if you have an account, you can easily log in with your account. But I'm going to create a new account. Simply tap on this create account. Then select for my personal use. And from here you have to enter the first name and the surname of your account. For example, I have entered the name. Then tap on this next option. And here you have to enter your date of birth which you want, as I'm going to enter randomly. Then enter your gender, then tap on next option, and here you have to enter username for your Gmail. For example, I'm going to enter. Once you have entered the name, simply tap on this next option. Or if you are seeing this type issue that username is taken, try another. So you have to make some changes. For example, you can add uh, numbers to your username, then tap on next option. Or if you're still having the issue, so you can use the available names from here. Then tap on next option, and here you have to enter a password. You just have to create a new password. Once you have entered the password, simply tap on the next option. And here you can easily save password if you want, but I'm going to select not now. And then tap on this next option. Here you will the Gmail. Here you have to select I agree, and you have to wait for until the loading has been completed. So here you can see we have successfully created a new account on our iPhone. So in this way you can easily create a new Gmail account on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.